Ladies and gentle hands, welcome back to Capital Chaos. This week for you all, I got a boss fight, audio, some crazy news, and of course chaos. So here's the backstory. I'm in the polishing stage of adding audio to this chaotic city builder survival game thing. I tried to make a main menu song, which I've been struggling with, and I came up with such a banger that I just didn't want to waste it. It gave off pure villain energy, so I did the only logical thing. I made a boss fight, yes, in a city builder. Depending on your game difficulty, yes, I added those, so you can chill or suffer based on your own regard. This new boss fight will trigger somewhere between day 400 and 600, but honestly this minigame needs to be shown rather than talked about. Plus, you get to hear this blessing of a soundtrack. Let me know in the comments if it's straight up horror though. But why? Why should you bother fighting this thing? Firstly, because you can. It's sick, isn't it? And secondly, see that massive health number at the top? That's actually the cash reward you get for beating it. If you don't get hit once, you can take home all 40 million. Honestly, that could fund your city for hundreds or even thousands of days. If you play the cards right, of course. But each bullet will cost you 500 grand and the blast 2 million each. As for the losing side, yeah, you get a military invasion that basically ends your run. Speaking of ending your game, there's actually a game over screen now. You can spectate your ruined city after death. Oh yeah, and there's these random quotes. Isn't this aura? Now, for the news. The game should be playable somewhere. Maybe a website by the time my next video drops. Wait, don't click off. Why not Steam? I'm thinking about it. The thing is, I'm under 18, but barely. So here are my options. Wait 8 months so I can legally own it myself, which means no taxes and no transfer headaches. Or put it under my parents' name and deal with the nightmare of switching it over to my personal account later. So I'm asking all of you, would you be willing to wait 8 months for the game to hit Steam? Waiting means I can't gather wishlists right now, which is really bad for the algorithm, and it might kill the game. Or should I just deal with the legal headache and release it in 1 to 3 months? I do also have university entrance exams, so it is kind of a lot for me right now. Do let me know what you think. Thank you all so much for watching, I appreciate all the love and support. Goodbye and see you whenever.